What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have some plant hanging hooks. And with these hooks, we're not just going to hang plants, you guys. We are going to hang our bug zappers in our garage. So we are going to do a little project. As you know, well, for the long-time subscribers, they know I have a bug zapper in the garage. It's like right there, right under the garage motor, or right beside the garage motor, and that thing zap bugs like crazy. So if you've been a long time follower, you know I've been reviewing a lot of products, and some of those products consist of bug zappers. All right, I love bug zappers. Get the bugs out. All right, so here we go. Now this is retractable. If you want to know if it hangs the plants and stuff, I don't have nothing, or I don't have no plant hanging pots. So yeah, there we go with that. But here we go. Now I'm trying to see if I can adjust this on my own. Okay, so it's retracting back by itself. So I guess it goes by the weight of the plant. I'm trying to see, I want to do my own adjustment. If I can't do my own adjustment, then I may have a problem. Or I could put a little weight on here. I do have some like little weights. So no, it don't look like you can stop it where you want to stop it. So let's just see. I'm gonna go ahead, set these up, and then I'll let y'all know what it looks like when it's done. So I have that hook right there on. All right, and then we have it here with this bug zapper. We have the hook, we have the retractable plant holder, but I'm using it as a bug zapper holder, okay? Now, with the plant hangers, it retracts and it is good by weight. So if you're not doing it by weight, if you're just doing it right out the box, then it will retract back real easy. But if you put weight onto the plant hanger, it will stop. It has this mechanism in it where it stops. I might be able to show you real quick so you can see. All right, you guys, so right here we have the hook, and it stops when you go up. Oh, I went all the way. Let me get rid of that. Okay. So you have to, and now it's stuck. Okay, you have to go up and down a couple of times. It's coming, you guys. Give it a second. Oh, let me get up one more time. All right. All right, there we go. You got to keep playing with it, but see, there you go. And then you go up a little bit, it stops. You go up a little bit, it stops. All right, but it's like you got to keep playing with it. Now, when I had it in the basement or in the studio, wherever, when I didn't have it on nothing, I was going back and forth, it retracted back by itself. But once you have it hanging up and going up and down, it stops. So right now I have it down, and this seems about a good 24 inches down. So y'all see how it's lower now? And if I want to, I can just lift it up a little bit and then it stops. So that's good, all right? So we have the plant hangers, we have the hooks, all right? Plant hangers, the hooks, and the good thing is you get 10 hooks. Was it 10? Or you get a good amount of hooks in a bag. So that's about it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns. Oh, and also let me know how y'all like the garage, you guys. I know I'm weird. I got bug zappers and stuff like that, but people that walk around the street, they be like, "Oh, I like your garage," blah blah blah. So y'all can let me know if y'all like the garage or not. You know, y'all can criticize. Y'all been criticizing, all right, for the people that stop by. Y'all be like, "Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that." So I have criticism and I have some praise on here. So some people like what I do, some people don't like what I do. So I mean, that's good. Everybody can't agree on everything, right? But y'all let me know how y'all like the setup with the plant hangers, the hooks, the magnetic hooks. That's about it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.